Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to disable autoplay videos in Twitter on computer. So let's start. So let me minimize this file first. Okay guys, so what you need to do, you have to open your web browser. I'm opening my Google Chrome. You can open any web browser of your choice like Firefox, Microsoft's Edge, etc. Okay, so let me open my Google Chrome. And after that guys, you have to go to this twitter.com and log into your Twitter account. You can see I'm already logged into my Twitter account. And after that guys, you have to click on this three dots over here, this button. So let me click on this. And after that, you have to click on this settings and privacy. And after that, you have to go to this general section and then click on this data usage. And you can see guys, here we have this autoplay. You can see currently I have this option selected on cellular or Wi-Fi. So just click on this autoplay. And you can see guys, here we have this autoplay screen opened. And here we have little message. Let's read that. Select whether videos and GIFs should play automatically on this device. Okay. So you can see guys, here we have two options on cellular or Wi-Fi. You can see currently I have this option selected. And here we have this second option, never. So you have to select this option, never. So just click on this button next to this never. So let me click on this, and you can see this option is now selected. After that, you can go back by clicking on this back button. You can see guys, autoplay, and this never option is now selected. And after that, you can go to your profile. So that's it guys. In this way you can easily disable autoplay videos in Twitter on computer. So thanks for watching. If you like my videos, please support this channel by subscribing to it. Thanks. Bye bye.